Click on the link below to get price. The Q Acoustics 5020 bookshelf speakers in Santos Rosewood present a striking combination of aesthetic elegance and impressive audio performance. Unboxing these speakers is a delight, as the rich, glossy finish of the Santos Rosewood gives them a premium look that can enhance any room's decor. The compact size of these speakers makes them an excellent choice for both small and larger spaces, allowing them to fit seamlessly on shelves or stands. From a performance perspective, the 5020s impress with their clear and balanced sound signature. Equipped with a 5-inch woofer and a 0.9-inch tweeter, they deliver a well-rounded audio experience across various genres. The bass response is surprisingly robust for a speaker of this size, providing depth and warmth without overwhelming the mids and highs. Vocals are crisp and articulate, making them an excellent choice for both music lovers and movie enthusiasts alike. One standout feature is the unique P2P, point-to-point, bracing technology utilized in their design, which significantly reduces cabinet resonance. This results in a cleaner sound, allowing intricate details in the music to shine through. The speakers can be pushed to higher volumes without distortion, making them suitable for a lively listening experience. However, some users may find that they require a bit more power to reach their full potential, so pairing them with a quality amplifier can enhance their performance. Installation is straightforward, and the build quality feels solid, instilling confidence that these speakers can withstand everyday use. The rear-firing bass port may require careful placement to avoid muddying the sound, but with some experimentation, optimal positioning can be found. Overall, the Q Acoustics 5020 bookshelf speakers in Santos Rosewood deliver an exceptional combination of style and sound quality. Their compact design, coupled with impressive audio performance, makes them a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their listening experience. Whether for music or home theater setups, these speakers do not disappoint.